The holidays are right around the corner. Thoughts of food and family are on our minds, but it's also a time of giving. Here at the New York Stock Exchange, we're all looking ahead to tomorrow evening. The New York Stock Exchange will be hosting the members' Handicapped Children's Fund fundraiser. So joining me now are the Treasurer and Chairman of the organization, Pat Casey and Dan Ryan. So Pat, I'm going to start with you. Could you tell me about the mission of your organization?
Sure. About a little over 30 years ago, there were a couple of members that decided to give back to the community. And what they did was they came up with a fund that would help handicapped children that have some sort of connection to the financial industry. And we just kind of basically picked up where they left off. And over the course of the last 30 years, we've raised over $4 million. And we get into a multitude of sources that help mentally and physically challenged children.
And Dan, over to you. I know that contributions can add up, and that amount that Pat just mentioned is pretty big. So can you tell me how these contributions can help and about the organizations that are supported?
What we try to do is, instead of giving to the very large organizations, we try to give to the small organizations because it's much more impactful giving a small organization a check for $10,000 or $15,000. So we try to stick with the local organizations that are really helping the kids in their communities. We stick with a lot of the children's charities because we just feel that because of what we do down here, there are a lot of members that have children that have certain disabilities. So it's very touching to a lot of the people that work down here. And we try to give back to a lot of the organizations, like I said, that really impact people in the financial industry so they can come, they can give us information. And as long as the charity is a 501c3, we can give them a charitable donation and they can use the money for funds and maybe either improve or extend their program to more children.
And gentlemen, I know that we're happy that the election results are finally in. We can think about year end. But heading into next year, what are your goals for the organization?
We always try to expand the organization. With the membership down here, since the membership doesn't really expand, we're always looking for different companies to get involved. We have a group of guys that are on our board that are always reaching out to people in the community to see if they would like to come down here, see what we do. And so 2017 may be a very good year because with the election changing, there could be some rules changing with tax that they can give a little bit more money, or certain companies may free up to give other things. So we'll keep our eyes out on that. We're always looking ahead, just like we do with stock forecasting, right? Same thing.
And last but not least, the event is taking place on the trading floor tomorrow evening. So Patrick, could you tell us where a viewing audience can go if they want more information?
Sure, absolutely. The party's tomorrow from 6 to 10 right here on the floor. And if you're looking for information on the party, it's on our website, which is MHCF.us.
Okay, Patrick, Dan, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you.